Tēnā koutou, nau mai, hoki mai, welcome back to 2 Minute Te Reo. We're going to whakamahara, we're going to revise of what we looked in the last video. We were looking at he aha tēnei, right? What is this? He pene tēnei. We looked at he aha tēnā. What is that? That thing that I'm not touching, which is close by. And he aha te rā, right? What is quite far away from the speaker and from the listener. All right, now we are going to haere tonu. We're going to keep going with a new part of that about when we pluralize. So in English we add an S. In Te Reo Māori they drop the T off the tēnei, tēnā and e rā. We're just going to look at that tēnei and tēnā. So if I have got not just one, which would be he aha tēnei, but I have got two, I have got e rua, then we're asking he aha ēnei. All right, so drop that T and we would answer with, oh, he pens ēnei, right? But we've actually already added the plural, so he pene ēnei, all right? If we are, again, if we're not holding the object, but instead they are, close to us, but we're not holding them, oh, there is two there, then instead we would ask the question of, oh, he aha ēnā. Right, now there's two of them, just like with the tēnei, we drop the T. This time we drop the T again, but it's ēnā. Ka pai? So, oh, he aha ēnā. Oh, he pene ēnā. Ka pai? So that pene, that word in between, the noun, whatever it is you're talking about, it doesn't change like it does in English, but instead you just drop the T and you say ēnā. Ka pai? Right, give it a go at home, whakamahi it, use it, practice it, and hopefully it goes well for you.